Hello, good morning, wonderful people. This is your original Amagambone that will tell you what you gotta hear. Guys, this is my first time being on YouTube. If today is your first time watching me on YouTube, please do subscribe at Amagambone. Go down to that subscribe, just press it, then go to the button, that bell, press also that place. So anytime I make a new video, you will get notification from me. Thank you as you do that. Yeah, let's go to this business. The business this morning is all about someone called Oluchi Evans Lloyd. This lady has been trying to cause a lot of problem that people don't know how it comes about. Oluchi Lloyd is someone that is a very useless and jobless woman. She only come on social media or YouTube, trying to I don't really understand what is her mission on YouTube. Every video of somebody, she will just put it in there. Even the one that she's supposed to put and the one that she doesn't supposed to put. And they keep on confusing themselves, saying that anything that you bring on social media is our business. Who says so? Is your business because you're a jobless person. If you are a working class person, you won't have time for doing all those things. Guys, I'm trying to bring you closer to what I'm trying to say here. This lady said, she made a video where she said Igbo ladies are disgracing them. That Igbo people are doing saga. I follow for one of the people who do the saga, and along the line, when I understand that things doesn't work the way they thought, I have to withdraw from it. And the moment I withdraw myself from there, that is where all this problem coming out from, because they feel they can use me to achieve their aim. So at a point I was like, if you said, like someone claiming, that girl Benco claiming that they share her nude, she claimed that they shared her nude, and I follow her to fight for her justice. And along the line, this lady doesn't want to go to authority to report that case. And I was like, if you claim that someone share your nude and the person who share your nude live in the same street with you, why can't you report it authority in US? Even when they wrote a letter from Nigeria, we told her to go to authority, she still not want to do that. And that makes me to withdraw from that case. And since then, this particular Oluchi Lloyd, she started making a video calling my names for no reason. And I don't know why she don't want to go in for the saga. She always say Igbo people are disgracing them. Guys, I want you to watch a video where she even called to contribute and to appreciate the saga going on social media. And this is the person who come to advise you. You really need to understand what people say and what did they want. Is a time for asking all these questions. What did you want? You complain that Igbo people are doing saga, and the same you are calling to contribute for the saga. Who is fooling who here? I want you people to listen to this video where she called and contributing and appreciating how the saga is going on. So watch the video. I will be back, okay?
Let me quickly give her a call. Mrs. Oluchi Lloyd, good evening.
Good evening, Nkchi. I'm live.
I'm live. Yes.
Okay, I thought I put the number before, so I'm busy. So
no, another person online. Another person online was on call.
This is the person that said that Igbo people like saga. Yeah. She also is sagaring too. You see? Okay. So this is not saga. Yeah. This is the person who said that Igbo people are disgracing people on social media. You see? If they did not call my name, they know they complete their assignment. You see? She said, you see, that I carry it for head, but at the end I fall apart. Ask them what happened. You see? That's why if you ask them, tell you that I blocked them for a very long time. I can now get it then. You go nowhere. Gini budi ihe nwa no bu n'anya gi isi.
Let me speak English. I asked her what is the problem between you and Oluchi Lloyd. She said that you asked her not to be doing hookup, but you went behind her back and you're doing hookup. That's why she blocked you. I said, but that's not a good thing.
You see, this one self they lie. You see, this one self, this girl anyway, they are a bunch of fools,
Sha. And then she asked you to make a video to invite one woman from Kenya or from where to come out on your live video to talk. And then I was asking her that, how can someone in America write to someone in South Africa? How did she get your address? How did she get a lawyer? I said all those things. It doesn't work that way, except if it's like international court. And I was trying to make her see reasons. And at the end of the day, all those people, they are just married, just like Ogichi said.
So that place, she went to my address, my website, and also everywhere, everybody, everywhere, God just shut all up. I went to my address, my website, everybody before.
Okay.
You want to go? Everybody before address. So I'm now, with the shadow, all of them, I block all of them. Earlier age, you want to go? Get shadow.
Relate with Ogechi's daughter's father. That's why she's not been bringing out her face.
All these people are a bunch of cowards, Sha. I even make a mistake to do something with them.
And they're fighting for the guy. Because Ogechi dumped the guy.
This thing where this woman they do, is it not Igbo saga? Anyway, my people can just wake a big happen there, Palama. Somebody will never even cross European. So guys, you understand what is happening in that video, She called to contribute, that she show appreciation. She even said that I back off because that I betrayed them. That is not the reason why. She doesn't want to tell you guys the reason why I back out from that saga. It's just because I find out that the girl who is trying to say they share her nude doesn't want to go to authority. She said that she prefer us to come on social media, insulting each other. And me, I don't like it. I only back out because of this reason. Because you can't be fighting without getting that fight to authority to, to be able to know who is the person who do the wrong thing, So that is why I withdraw from it. Now let's come to this lady called Benco that claimed that they share her note. that doesn't want to go to authority. Guys, let me tell you people, this lady only want to divide Ndi Igbo. Her mission is to divide Ndi Igbo. And let me tell you people, the point that she plan to do that, the point is that she feel her name is useless, that she become a useless person. Because when you type Nkchi Benco, if you type it on Google, you will see her open nude. That nude was shared by her. That video was done by her. So I wonder why this nude become a problem to her, where a lot of Nigerians are even dancing naked, even doing rezibiaris in open field, you know. And she said she want to do this, she want to do that. The only reason is that the guy she claimed that share her nude refused to marry her and went and marry another person. And this is the main problem, that they doesn't want to tell anybody. I managed to find that on my own, and I told people this is the reason why they are fighting, and this fight they refuse to disclose it to people. So please, I want you people to listen where she said anyone who beg Ogechi Okereke or Egbochere, that person has automatically become her enemy. You know, you become her enemy when you inherit her problem. No, when you inherit her problem, you are at her peace, you are a lovable person. But when you make a peace with Ogechi or Egbochi, you become her enemy. I want you to listen to this video. Stay tuned. I'm coming back, okay?
Yes. You are right.
Hello guys, so I hope you understand what they are saying in that video. So this is all about the saga. This is how everything went to, you know. I thank you for for tuning in with me and stay with me to start understanding what is happening. You know, this thing is happening on Facebook in a Palace of Justice. You know, that is the place they started doing it. Before it was Palace of Truth. I was the one who begin to give a lot to people and say, how can you call yourself a Palace of Truth and you can't say the truth? You know, everything that comes out from you guys' mouth is evil, evil, evil. The same you people saying that you stand for justice, you stand to fight Ogechi Okereke Njaka, is the same you who do obituary to an a living soul, someone who is still alive. You guys, because of your hatred and jealousy, you went and make a obituary banner, someone who is still alive, to tell you the evil in these people. Some Igbo, they are so evil that their jealousy, they can't even, you can't even withstand it. And because of I back out from this saga, you know what they did? They went and make a banner where they say, I'm scamming Igbo people. I do hookup. Hookup, I was promoting hookup to my Biafran people, you know. So we have a hookup for Biafran matchmakers, and they asked me to promote it for them. That is how they went and make a banner and say that I am doing hookup and I am scamming people, you know. So, but guys, I just want you people to follow up what is happening. This is my first time doing all this thing in YouTube. I am still learning how to use YouTube. I hope you find it good with me. Just stay tuned. I will become a professional one day, you know, something that I just started now. So stay tuned. I'm going to upload a new video again. Maybe by next week you will get a new video again where I am to narrate you how this Igbo saga started and how it's going. Okay, so this is your original Ama. I'm gonna say goodbye. Bye bye right now. Okay, stay tuned. Next week we shall meet again. Bye bye. Thank you, wonderful people.